Since Chelsea's last game, a 3-0 defeat at Brighton on Tuesday, they've dispensed with head coach Liam Rossini and replaced him until the end of the season with Callum McFarlane. His team sheet shows 3 changes. Fofana, Hato and Delap all relegated to the bench. Adarabioyo, Garnacho and João Pedro return. Cole Palmer is fit enough to occupy a place on the bench. There's also a spot for 18-year-old striker Jesse Derry, whose father, Sean, incidentally, used to play for Leeds. Just the one change for Leeds. Brazilian Lucas Perry has been their FA Cup goalkeeper. His return in place of Carl Darlow, the only alteration. Leeds have settled on a system based on a back 3 against South. Chelsea no strangers to a Wembley semi-final, their 7th in 10 years. Leeds United playing at the new Wembley for just the 3rd time. João Pedro picking up the pieces. Enzo Fernandez.
Really good from Chelsea.
Early involvement for Lavia, but it is Okafor picking up possession for Leeds, and Chelsea immediately in retreat as Leeds sweep forward and win a free kick within range.
Well, could Okafor have played the ball into Calvert-Lewin? Calvert-Lewin had made a run down the side. Could have played the ball to him early. You can see Calvert-Lewin screaming for it.
Fernandez again. Alejandro Garnacho. He's out by Tanaka, and here's Aronson. Garnacho. Cucurella. Again Garnacho. James Justin got his head to it.
3 or 4 times he's got the ball. He's trying to go inside, and there's been a player waiting for him.
Caicedo. Here is Garnacho.
Good run, lovely pass. Poor control at the end of it from Garnacho.
Bogle. Calvert-Lewin. Big chance. Brendan Aronson. And the first major save of this semi-final.
What a golden opportunity. Didn't seem too much of Leeds after that first couple of minutes. Ball played in, Calvert-Lewin coming short, whipping it round the corner. Aronson made the right run. He's going for the right area across the goalkeeper.
Garnacho. By Garnacho, there are appeals for handball there. Lavia. Fernandez. João Pedro, base of the post.
Well, it's all Chelsea at the moment. They had that one chance, Leeds, with Aronson, but Enzo Fernandez is finding that bit of space here. He just opens up his body, plays the right pass. He's onside. He tries to go in at the near post with power.
Strauch losing it. And here comes Neto. Enzo Fernandez, Chelsea lead in the semi-final. It is their captain. The error by Strauch. Chelsea seizing upon it and seizing their moment too.
And it's another good decision by Sanchez. They take the short goal kick. Leeds were trying to press. He realised there's 4 versus 4 higher up the field, so he went long.
João Pedro. João Pedro. Leeds just couldn't get it clear.
And Leeds couldn't get it out. There's the challenge. They're winning the ball back. Good first touch.
Garnacho picks himself up. He receives the pass from Fernandez. Against the booze. Garnacho right across the face. Aronson. Taking Bogle. Nutmegging Cucurella. Aronson. Corner given. Stroud beaten. Okafor unable to control.
Well, had a great game so far, Okafor. I think he's missed a couple of opportunities to play in Calvert-Lewin.
Tanaka towards Strauch, who was hitching a ride. Neto. Gusto. Lovely check back. Big chance. João Pedro just couldn't dig the ball out from beneath his feet. And it's only a corner.
Well, could he have done it earlier? Good play from Chelsea. There's the ball in behind.
Roden for Justin. There's also a half-time change by Leeds. There's Aronson. Then it was Stack, who struck it really well and seemed to take Sanchez by surprise.
What a strike from the substitute. Just come on. It's right through the back of the ball.
Now at Okafor. On the outside of Enzo Fernandez. Trying to take on Caicedo too, which he did, and the cross was just too high for Dominic Calvert-Lewin. João Pedro. Fernandez to Garnacho, deflected, corner.
Well, the turn by João Pedro changes everything, doesn't it? He's trying to put pressure on the ball. He goes in between two suddenly.
Teased in, Calvert-Lewin!
Well, it's exactly what Calvert-Lewin wants. Really good play from Okafor.
Stack will drive it, and Sanchez covers his post. Which is 12,000 more than yesterday's game between Manchester City and Southampton here. Much closer to capacity. Before struggling. So as Lucas Mecha is amongst those getting ready to come on for Leeds, Cole Palmer is going to be introduced by Chelsea. And it is in place of Garnacho.
Yeah, no surprise.
Stroud, and it's very bookable.
He knew he was on the wrong side, knew that João Pedro was getting away from him, so just...
He responds to losing the ball with a follow-up foul for which he receives a yellow card. Oh, Palmer. It's a goal kick.
Didn't quite have that injection of pace there, did he, Cole Palmer?
Across in front of Cole Palmer.
He just looked slightly off the pace, Cole Palmer. Once again was beaten for pace quite easily there.
542. Thank you to both sets of fans for your fantastic support today.
Stack. Might just fancy a pot. And does.
And as soon as he got on the ball, you could sense that the Leeds crowd were